My biggest fear with all this weight is speed wobble.
Almost gives a little bit of an alien experience with these egg-shaped things. It's now the next day. We're just leaving the hotel that we found eventually. I'll tell you a bit more about it later. It was not meant to be raining today, but it is raining again. Anyway, we're all rugged up and I'm going to find a coffee for breakfast. It's 8 o'clock now.
Okay, so we've had a Starbucks break to wait for the rain to subside. Hopefully it's gone for the rest of the day. And it is freezing cold.
Oh. Hey, what? This is hard work. This has stopped raining. And there's a cloud cover. Oh, I can't complain about that.
There you go. They tell you what gradient it is when you get to the top. 10%. I swear it's more than 10%. I reckon they're right. But it was long. Like, probably 700 meters. That's hard. Here we go, just another hill. Our minds are a little bit, well, mine at least is a little bit challenging this today. It's throwing me quite a few spinners. So we need to get some joy back in our space. I think we can just get a straight run today without the weather. It will be good. But press on. Keep on riding, keep on riding. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, this is going to be about, I don't know, 10 to 12%, maybe a bit more. I think I'm in my last gear. Now I've still got the raincoat on, so I'm starting to cook a bit. That's it, no more gears left. I'm going to have to walk.
What goes up goes down, unfortunately. Don't know how slippery this is going to be. Going to just pull the brakes on a bit. I wouldn't imagine the red stuff would be very slippery. My biggest fear with all this weight is speed wobbles.
This is very wobbly. Oh, I love downhill. That was it. Uphill again. How's this for a river view? Eh? Way down there in the distance, I'm pretty sure that is the next dammed section. They dam their rivers everywhere around here, and for good reason. Uphill to the number 8. It looks like this big dam structure was just a weir, and it does remind you which way the river's flowing. Everything is still flowing back towards Seoul at this point.
It's quite an impressive structure. Almost gives a little bit of an alien experience with these egg-shaped things. We're going to check out the alien eggs.
Nine of these dams are hydro.
9 of the dams are hydro dams.
Yeah, and the others, which are a lot more, are just beams, just weirs.
This weir is an interesting structure for sure. It measures 591 meters long and features 7 giant oblong eggs on its top deck. These eggs serve a dual purpose. They conceal hoists used to raise and lower the water gates, and they symbolize the eggs of an egret, which is Yeoju city's official bird. Every year, egrets make a stopover along the South Han River during their migration. Beneath the weir, there are 3 small hydro generators. These generators harness the power of the river to produce enough electricity for 4,000 households annually. This highlights the weir's role not only in managing water flow, but also in generating renewable energy for the local community. Here he comes. We just stopped here for lunch. Just went and got the sushi type bites. What's in yours?
I got spicy pork.
Spicy pork. Is it good?
Oh yeah, it's okay.
And I
Let's just say it's not as good as Kentucky.
got a tuna one and a Powerade. The weather's been pretty good today. Like, we sat out the rain this morning in a coffee shop. We just waited, and it hasn't rained since. So yeah, it's been good. We're in Yeoju at the moment.
How do you say it?
Yeoju?
I would say Yeoju.
Crichton says Yeoju. I said Yeoju. Anyway, that's where we are.
Just a little bit of path coming into Yeoju.
So we've just pulled up here for an early dinner. It's a lovely spot here. Park on the river. We just got some food from the little grocery store, and Crichton's having some noodles of some sort with rice. He's just boiling some water over there.
I just got to get the translator out to read the instructions.
And he has a bottle of wine, which he's been looking forward to for days, and a beer. And I have a beer also. And I have some smoked eggs, which I'm looking forward to trying. I've never had them. And two of these rice things with tuna, I think. Quite enjoy them. So that's going to be my dinner. To come back to yesterday when it was pouring rain and it was really, really cold. And I cannot remember the name of the town, but we tried to just find a hotel because we were soaked through. We rode for hours through the rain. And you think we could find one? No. There was a few that showed up on our maps or our neighbor. And but by the time we got there, there was just nothing there. And we continued on until we eventually found a hotel, and we were very, very cold, and so I didn't end up filming anymore, and we went to bed quite early. So this morning when we got up, it was still raining, so we ended up going to Starbucks and just sitting there for 2 hours until the rain stopped, because we didn't want to get soaked through again. And then we continued on our way, and the rest of the day has been pretty good. Every now and then the sun comes out. It's been nice and cool. And so yeah, now we ended up here. So we're going to continue on a little bit further and just pitch our tent, and then tomorrow is another day. They look yellow. Maybe it's just because I'm wearing my sunglasses. Nope, even without sunglasses, they look yellow.
So we finished our dinner. A little bit of four-wheel driving, two-wheel mountain biking. Look at that. I think that this is going to be okay. I think there's going to be it. Just there on that grassy spot. What do you think? Good spot?
Yeah, good.
We have finished setting up tents, and we are just camped on the other side of the bridge outside of Yeoju, heading south. Fantastic little spot. Nice and quiet.